Think you know cats? These 5 facts will blow your whiskers off. Cats can make over 100 different sounds. Dogs? Just about 10. Who's the real chatterbox now? Cats have a dominant paw, just like humans. Yep, most are right-pawed, but some are lefties too. A cat's purr isn't just cute. It can help heal bones and reduce pain. They're basically furry medics. Whiskers? They're not just for looks. They help cats measure gaps and even detect changes in air currents. Final fact, cats sleep for 70% of their lives. Living the dream, literally. Which fact surprised you most? Drop it in the comments and follow WhiskerFuel for more feline facts.